Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a book sort of video edit on CapCut. So what you're going to need is a page from a book, and then I'm just going to add in like a video from the movie of the book, if you know what I mean. Just go to overlay and press add overlay and add in the video and press add. Then you can adjust it here so it covers like the text like properly. I'm just gonna crop some of the parts out like so. Then you are going to go to splice and you're going to choose the slide one so the text is over the video. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!